All is fear in love and war. That is why one man posts a mother picture and the next man posts him address. All is fear in love and war. That fear, that makes sense. But for you come over here now and come say me okay if some happen to your kids and they never try make it look like say me come on the internet I try to be a fake positive person and then behind screen means a horrible person. No, I'm showing everything over here. I'm showing the good, bad and the ugly. If somebody diss me on social media, as big as somehow they say me is and them not there in my lead, we still respond to disrespect. Me tell them about to the man the same way. I make video about to next day I drop a positive video. Which part of that you try insinuate is fake? No, you know what is fake? When the man them go to go and shoot you up and God give you a second chance, you come on the live and talk about how you got baptized. Why we have not seen you dunking at the blood clot holy water yet, Father? You come on live and cry out your yai ball and say, oh, you gotta give your life to Christ. And I know that's no change. That's fake. That's fake. You try to make it look like say because we come over here and say people should do the right thing and love is love and rare and love alone and kindness and positivity, but still we telling about no matter same way. Which part of that fake? I come over here move like Father Teresa or Father Olan or whatever the fuck them Jesuit. I come over here act like Christian. No, me nah the manners, disrespectful too. But what I am not going to do is lie unto the Lord's name saying that I'm going to baptize when I know I'm not going to baptize. You come for your life and play a gospel music and cry in front of your followers them so they can feel sorry for you. Bro, remember say I call you in a bad man and you still a call up my name on social media for what? And now me I respond, you gotta hear say I do it for the crowd. When the people that don't know say just few months ago you disrespect me again. Just because me say I lose the ratings off of you because you styled me for Rosalie. Bro, you styled me for Rosalie for no reason. You disrespected me for Rosalie for no reason. Out of nowhere. Out of nowhere, me hear you. I tell Rosalie, say, oh, you're bigger than Negus. What did I do for you to be telling Rosalie she's bigger than Negus? Rosalie had the international show. Rosalie had the Super Smile Island. Oh, you talk. No, it's Friday. But anyway, I'll continue.
That is 100% fucked up. And I take up my phone and I call Major Ibe. And I tell Major Ibe my mind that day. And he turned to me and he said, you're right.
Lie. Lie, 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 lie. Lie. Major Ibe never said nothing on that podcast about you. And me say all is fear in love and war. Momo said Blamdem wrong to put out your mother. Your address. Blamdem wrong to put out your address. And I said both town are wrong, but all is fear in love and war. You put out my mother picture, you never put out your address. That's what it is. 12 and a beef. See Major saying in the comments that me never tell him about no right or no wrong. You're lying. You are lying. You literally lied in the screen recording to try mash up my name.
And I tell Major Ibe my mind that day. And he turned to me and he said, you're right. I tell him, Major Ibe, and this could be screen record. I call Major Ibe and I talked to him that day. And I said, so, you guys telling me that to broadcast my address where my kids at. If it was just me.
Alright, people. You see? You see the account there right there when name Nicky Blamdem. That I wanna Nicky and Blamdem biggest supporter over here. And this account always there on my live when time I talk about Blamdem and World Dawg. And look what she said it. Look what, not even if it's a girl or a man behind a blood clot account here. But look what the account said. Facts. That's exactly what you said. Both of them were wrong. People. World Dawg is coming over here to make it look like say I am okay if something did happen to him children them. No. I said both of them were wrong as an outsider looking in. But if you were Blamdem or World Dawg, you're not gonna give a fuck. All is fear in love and war. You do something to me, me do back something to you. All is fear in love and war. But he is coming over here to try to manipulate people into believing that I am this horrible person. So if anything did happen to the little kids them, me would be okay with something happen to the little kids them. Bro, you're a major manipulator, bro. You're a liar. You come over here and call Major Hype name. And you lied at Major Hype name. Major Hype in the comments right now and said, you are lying. I just showed the people them the text message. I call your number. After Major Hype call me, you know, after I talk to you, you know. I'm going to say, Major, a long time I talk to Hero still, you know. Which number I have? And him call out the number and I see the number. I'm call it back same time. I'm call you the first time you answer. I text you. I'm just show the people them the text. Yo, Hero, answer. Negus. Bro, I don't want to be doing this online, bro. We are calling me name for brother. Just the other day you diss me. You diss me and tell the people them say you boss me. Why you continue spreading lies, bro? Which part are you boss me, brother? You run up and down and say tan tanana tanana. Me play 6-7 different characters in our one video. Which part are you boss me, brother? Why you keep on come follow up my name G like why you do that, brother? Hmm? To that person you say, me just not like Hero. If me never like Hero, I wouldn't call him to try deal with this behind the scenes. If me never like Hero, I would disrespect Hero the first time I see the blood clot video. Matter of fact, I got finish play that video so I can play the video when I talk about. Me and my family, big woman alone in our house. Fuck it. What where kids sleeping at, and you gonna promote it. That's why the day I tell Active and Pepper Sauce, say don't post none of my bumbleclad video them again. Alright, you might go off on Active and Ray. So, listen now. This is what Hero said about me the other day. You see? Just because I say I lose half time because he disrespect me for Rosalie. Like, why would you disrespect me for Rosalie? Like, why? You understand what I said? Remember say him said to Rosalie saying, Rosalie bigger than Negus. Why you keep on disrespecting me, bro? You me not answer you? You keep on a call up me here.
One more thing. Me don't know something I walk around and buy ratings. I didn't know I was walking around by ratings.
And just for some context, people, this was when somebody screen record just a little part. Because I talk about him and Blamdem the whole night. And this is why I'm telling you some of them screen recording page at them very toxic and them cause a whole heap of problems amongst the favorite streamer. Not on the favorite streamer don't have no problem with them one another. Some of these screen recording pages, them screen record certain things out of context and don't explain nothing, and then they make the two people them see it and then start beef. But some majority of the beef them on social media start. Them screen recording page. You understand what I deal with? But anyway, man, this is him say all of this because me say me no rate him, me lose the ratings off him because him style me. In this me for Rosalie.
When him before me say when him. But him did rate none rate again. When him.
Yeah, no.
When we get 2 videos in him boss. When him. When him. I say when him. Cartel back organist. When him again. When the top from cartel from here say cartel come again. He have a free shot. When him.
Oh, so I a cartel bandwagonist, my cartel t-shirt, and when cartel come out of jail, I start talking about cartel. So how you want again and know my name? When you come over here and I put on a character for the people, then bro, stop. Bro, now manipulator, bro, now some major manipulator, dog.
See the Negus. You know what generating? I didn't generate things. You must be generating yet. You must be blood clot generating yet. Since there's a cartel that come out, you can print shot every day. You're still running. But he is the most honorable professional DJ. Blunt being man.
He don't know my name at all, but he can tell you how I'm acting on the video then. So these are the things you have to just listen to people when they talk, you know. You are putting in a my name, but they can tell how my hand gestures stay, you can tell how I see them in the video, them are rare. Bro, stop the cap, bro. Stop the cap, bro.
You want to say, wait, the people who are in the blood clot, use a mix of people who are in your blood. You're not fighting me something about women or rape me again. You don't rape me again. You don't rape me again. That's your blood pressure.
You know what is most hilarious about this? The man literally come on him phone screen and say, him boss me. You can take props for whosoever you did boss, but not Negus. You never have no hand in playing. Nothing. You never make me, you never give me nullings. You never put me on a stage before. You never do nothing for my career at all. Nothing. Stop cap, bro. Stop cap, brother. You know the skit. Remember say me you ask for show you how to edit. Remember say you say you're gonna do a podcast, you want me show you how to set up. Remember them things that good no man. With the elephant man voice, with the bounty killer voice. I play a Juba, I play a father. I play Mr. Chin. With the Bounty's Diary. With the social commentary, with the podcast. You don't do none of them things. Oh, you boss me. Everybody who you interact with, you come on me that come say you boss them. You not boss me, bro. Me boss me. And if you want to give nobody props, if you boss Negus, we got to give it to Jeffrey if we want to be serious about it. Jeffrey are the only comedian who give me the most highlight in my life. And we meet Jeffrey almost every week, and Jeffrey I do video. Me and Jeffrey was the first two hosts for Let's Be Honest podcast. You know, there's nothing for Negus Imara can wear. Why are you trying to take props for people hard work, bro? No, do them something there, bro. Remember, say run up and down with phone scream and say, you come to talk, you come for talk, and that we know that for. Tanana. Remember, bro, stop telling me, bro, you boss me, bro. You're not boss nobody around here, brother. This is corny.
Fucking idiot, what the hell, man?
That's fucking corny.
What's that, man? I can't find nothing. What? No, pussy clot and black. Everything's on a clot shit. No, boy! No, only not big like that one pair of shoes. This are shoes, yeah. You see, this are shoes that we pop out. I know for no boy a big money like it up here. These are shoes, yeah. The shoes that go through history. The shoes, yeah, only not big like the shoes, yeah. Only not reach the shoes level yet. Them shoes that do more down the career.
Bro. I can guarantee you I've done more shows than you have done. I've traveled and done more shows in the US than you've ever done. I've done more shows internationally than you've ever done. But you see, because we don't come over here, come hype, bro. I'm not gonna know these things, bro. Florida and Jamaica are your place, brother. Me, the Florida, Jamaica, Canada, St. Kitts, Bahamas. I just come from BVI the other day, Tartola, big up Tartola. St. Thomas in a few months. I guarantee I've done more shows in the US and outside of the US than you. I know Mr. Show me not talk about hosting parties. Because I'm in a party like that, brother. You ever stand up in front of 3,000 people and make them laugh yet? No. You ever perform like King Theater yet? No. When come over here and hype on people who are used to things and don't know things. Bro, I literally tried calling you before you bring this to the media, bro. Why you keep calling me name, brother? Me and you not have nothing. Me and you not have nothing, brother. Nothing. Me and you not have no problem at all. Why is it that you keep on calling me name, bro? You know where to watch. Remember, this is all I stemming from. Remember, you know.
Negus not send you a rose. Negus not come for your life. Negus don't follow you. Stop sitting and cuss about Negus. He's just another person on the app who you are bigger than. Probably have more.
Don't do it. Don't do it. This was when Rose disrespect me, I disrespect her back. And she call up my name every day. So she call up my name to the point where him have to call her and say, yo, stop calling up Negus name, very. Negus, you're bigger than Negus. Bro, you see thing about it, bro. Remember say this me and I say you boss me, brother. For sure, so I'm not do them things for clout, I'm not do them things for me, bro. I love it, I'm not respond to you. But when you come over here today, you come talk about me, okay, if something would have happened to you, you could pick me, bro. Don't do them something here, bro. You're a major manipulator, brother. You want me to care more about your kids than you care about your kids. The reason why Blamdem show your address in the first place is because you push badness. You have kids, why are you pushing badness? Don't come over here, come try to make me look like the victim, brother. Don't do that. Like the problem. And you're the victim. Don't do that. Remember, good enough. The man beats me for no reason.
But you are bigger than him. Stop it, man. You're bigger than this man, Rosalie. I mean, okay, when nobody wants it. He probably have more followers and he can shoot and edit, but you are a big star, Rosalie. Stop it, man. I love you, dog, because guess what? You see, everybody I go through me and they deal with me so weird, dog. Guess what? You want triple always did it for me. No matter what you want triple, dog. Stop it, then.
You see? And just a few months after that, him and Rosalie fall out. What I'm saying at the audio a while ago, say, him love Rosalie because when him go through him thing them, Rosalie and Miss Triple always have him back. You like them people because they never tell us you're wrong yet in your life. Until Rosalie goes to and spank you verbally and send you up on the one part. Never say this Rosalie for me. And a few months after that, Rosalie come and diss you back. Remember good, no? Remember good, man. You understand me? I say, Father, don't do that. Even though the man diss me, people, can we agree that a style him did a style me? Eh? Can we agree that a shade him there throw my way to say Rosalie bigger than me? Can we agree to that? Because I take it as shade. Okay, I shade him and shade me. Why are you shading me? Look here now.
I'm going to
say this. Big up yourself first of all, hero. Like I say, I try and show her level. Even though the man diss me, but still I say, big up yourself, hero. Big up yourself. Enough of the people over here who don't like me, they make it look like say me are the drama starter. Me not start drama, I finish it. I just play a clip while ago, but somehow I probably say for the first time, must about 2-3 months ago the man disrespect me. I'm gonna say nothing. I'm gonna say nothing. No for wanna have me over here as the problem starter. Anytime you hear my mouth open, them diss me first. Me no come over here and trouble people. Me no need to come over here and create drama. You don't need to come over here and create drama. If you try to get some people to shoot for me and them somebody. You don't need to do that, bro. I can make a skit or make a commentary video and upload it. I'm going to feel good on myself and know so you're everything balanced. Understand? Remember good no man. The man diss me for no reason. So now, the reason why this away me that talk about, you know. I don't know why the fuck it not play upon this, you know. Hold on the people. I don't know why it not play. I'm not gonna say me can play upon this.
You know, Blamdem look at Jeffrey, I follow up on the camera over there, so. Blamdem becoming one person on the.
When I hear it, yeah?
I see a lot of people giving World Dawg right.
Yeah, you shouldn't bring out him address, so come on. What? Give out him address? All is fear in love and war. Nah, you can't bring out my. Let me tell you this. You said no.
People, what is wrong with what I said? If you are somebody else a war, all is fear in love and war. You can't tell somebody how to respond when you do them something. The two of them war, you do something and him do something. Both of them try to bring down one another. It's just because your bring down was so detrimental now. You try pre things. You talk about Blamdem mother of social media account. I don't give a fuck if she have an account and you make me see her. You make thousands of other people see her, bad man. You put Blamdem mother life in danger and Blamdem put your life in danger. All is fear in love and war. All is fear in love and if you bust shot off of me not gonna fling big stone off of you, not gonna bust back shot. If you bust gunshot off of me not gonna fling big stone off, me not gonna use no bingy. Me a bust back shot off of you too. But you come on the internet and come try to make me look like a monster. Like me would have okay if something happened to your kids because me never say Blamdem wrong. Well, if you did care enough, I did say you and Blamdem wrong. But because you never like to hear me say, this fear in love and war. Remember say the morning when you get shot, you know, me dey for my life and the people them come to me for my life and say, Negus, yo, World Dawg get shot and I say, yo, dog, yo, burn off that, yo, we not put that in the air until we know say a true thing. Pastor come on all my life and pray for you. What me do you, youth? What me do you? Why you have so much built up and pent up animosity towards Negus? What me do to you, bad man? But not try one, my brother. The man you get shot, we dey for life, I pray for you. We dey for life before we even know say true. Remember. Me not choose if me want say one prezi, me I say one prezi, cause him diss me. He diss me. So of course me gonna say one blood clot prezi. Me never meet Blamdem a day in my life. But you diss me. Me and you are no longer friends. So I one blood clot prezi on the app called the dog. I use no formula. The same formula where you use World Dawg. Come over here, come disrespect people, forget clicks and views. So your life full up of thousands of people, bro. Blamdem come and use it and beat you at your own game. And that's what I hate Blamdem for. And I find it hilarious. Blamdem did it the best. Blamdem did it the best. The same formula where all I want to use over here. Blamdem come over here and use the same formula and beat all out. But you see, them never hear when Negus say two of them wrong. They never hear that, you know. Never hear that. So even though I say two of them wrong, somebody want to pick side. But I pick nobody. No first side never on my side. If anything go on right now with Negus, Blamdem nor World Dawg, I got them on Negus side. Me have it up on my side. You understand me, David? Yeah. Me have it up on my side. But the fact that you keep calling my name bad G, stop do it, bro. Cause you move dishonest, brother. I mean, I come over here to try and make nobody look like them a pussy or whatever. Just stop calling me name, bro. Leave me alone. Cause I respond now. You ever hear people say, oh, me only I respond because I look clout. When you diss me multiple times, I'm gonna answer you. You diss me multiple times, I'm gonna answer you. But for some reason, you get up this morning and I call me name. For what reason, bro? You tell life on blood clot major I don't do it, brother.
I was watching the interview with Momo, Major Hype, Negus.
Alright, now this is it.
You see that go pretty that yard? You should have come at my yard and I light up them blood clot. You know what's funny with us Jamaicans or niggas? If Pretty Dan or Negus or Blamdem would have get shot and dead that day, we would have a whole different conversation. But let's be honest. Let's deal with what the reality. It didn't happen. Let's just. But you give out my address, nigga. Everybody food. I'm New York. Fuck that. I'm thinking about Pretty Dan. Momo. Yeah. Let me ask you this.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the show.
Fuck that. Listen, Major. What I ask you?
Yes. Nobody else can.
Let me ask you this.
Momo.
Let me ask you this. Major, let me ask you this. Momo attack. Let me ask you this, Major. Somebody put out your mother picture. Right? So the argument is some people are saying, oh, the picture was already there, out there already. I can guarantee you that 90 or 99% of the people who are now seeing Blamdem mother picture never know how Blamdem mother look. I never know how Blamdem mother look. But you can't World Dawg who gave the mother name first. It don't matter. You said it right. Why you not arguing World Dawg? Where you have been the baby mother in? World Dawg put out his mother picture first, and then World Dawg put out his mother picture first, and then Blamdem put out his address. No, him bring out Yannick first. Him a defending woman. We don't give a fuck what he called her name and said she's a matrash. Yes, the mother for defending woman by putting on Blamdem mother picture. Man, him said me a feel up your mother pussy in the club, bro. Come on, niggas. Come on, niggas. The mother for say out. You went proof for the first picture.
And this is what I'm telling you. When you think war is something neat and nice. Oh, he called her una war. Anything goes. What una some play people or something? When you think of Dandy Shandy, the man them a play. The man them they are war. When you look at a gunshot never bust. They are at war. Anything goes. When you look on the internet too long. When you look on the internet too long. When you see two people at war and then I try gauge how hard them for go. When you crazy. When you crazy. The man them are war. That is war. If you shoot off of me not fling big stone, they go shoot off of your back. You have this idea like you can tell people how to respond and what them to do when it's war time. You know how much? Too much social media for you. Come back to reality, please. So this is what he was talking about. When he come up on a talk, he say, where.
I was watching the interview with Momo, Major Hype, Negus. Momo said what the person did is wrong. Negus said I can move but that picture cannot be removed. No, that picture, that person of Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Facebook and every media. No, my address is not on every media.
How much I own? 700 I own over here right now on the live. How much I own? See Blamdem mother for the first because I World Dawg. Me a number one. At the first never see Blamdem mother. And it's because I World Dawg. So whether she have social media or not, I still never know how she look until you put her picture out there. See that? Everybody has seen me. You let me see her first. That's a weak argument. The argument is weak. The 12 is something where we could have put 12 family members in harm. 12 of it. I'm going to say it. Notice Blamdem more disrespectful than you, you know. And even though I say 12 wrong, Blamdem not disrespect me. And me don't know Blamdem from a can of paint. But me know you. And because I say all is fear and love and war. You who's supposed to be my friend or my brother in comedy, you come diss me when I say the 2 wrong. But Blamdem who me don't know, never diss me. You have something against me out. That's true, man. What you have against me? What am I do to you? What me do to you? What did I do to you? If me can say all is fear and love and war, you put out Blamdem mother picture. Blamdem no come disrespect me and say, why you never tell the man saying wrong? What you want, bro? You want everybody to say you're doing everything right and you know that you're not doing wrong. You love fallbacker. That's why most people who you're there around and most people who you associate with, you and them fall out. Don't say a lie. We see it. We have a screen record in them. Almost everybody who you did start with, we don't see them again. Almost everybody who you start with, we don't see them again. You just want me to agree with everything when I say, but bro, yeah, I see him age, brother. We are big man. How the fuck me if you follow you as a big man, bro? Bro, me have pride and ego in it, bro. Just like how you not follow back at some man, bro. Me not follow back at your brother. Me a big man, bro. You understand what I did? Don't do that, me G.
And when Negus can say a eye for an eye, when my little son, when the kids them in our house, that don't sit well with me. Now I take up my phone and I call Major Ibe. And I said to Major Ibe, when since violence against kids is accepted.
So, because I say all is fear and love and war. I never say I fear I say all is fear and love and war. Right? You do something to a man, you can't tell a man how to respond. That seems fear, don't it? Cool. That seems fear. You call Major Ibe and ask Major Ibe, when is violence against children okay? Show me a screen recording or make we hear an audio recording of Negus Imara saying violence against children is okay. You see people like Uno dangerous with the mountain. When come over here and paint a picture on people by manipulating and utilizing your words in such a way, you make the person who you talk about look like a monster. You want me to care more about your kids than you care about your kids? Are you a push the badness? Why are you putting your family in that position? Me not pushing the badness. Are you a do it? If you was never pushing badness, certain things wouldn't reach you. If you was never pushing badness, Blamdem wouldn't release your house address. Accountability is something you seem to not be familiar with. You push badness and come over here and blame people. Or you want me to care more about your kids than you care about your kids? You can fool the people them sometime, but you can't fool all the people all the time. You notice how I come over here and one big bag of disrespect and suck mother and rare. I'm going to repeat that to you too. But to everybody who me here they talk about, you never tell me about my mother yet. That's why I'm going to tell you about your mother yet neither. Because I know it probably hurt. Every Mother's Day come around here and have your mother. So I'm not do them something there. Nah, do it. And that's another thing where you don't hold yourself accountable for. You tell other people about their mother, and when them tell you about your mother, you take it disrespectful because your mother dead. If you know say your mother dead, stop telling people about their mother. Maybe they will stop telling you about your mother. Bro, you don't hold yourself accountable for nothing. And a full time somebody come over here and tell you say you and accountability is like oil and water.